Greeting parents and families. This is just an update to let you know and remind you, I suppose, that August 10th, which is Monday, about 2 days from having made this video, is going to be the first day of school. Keeping in mind also that at our site, we're going to host distribution between 11 and 3:30 in the afternoon. This is where you are asked to arrive if you haven't yet received a Chromebook or if you are needing a Chromebook or some kind of device in order to be able to access our distance learning tools and to be able to use the program. However, if you already have a Chromebook and you already have a device, then there's no need to pick up a new one. Though I should add that this distribution time, we will be offering various school supplies, which includes glue, scissors, paper, notebooks, crayons, and the like, which will help your child get off to a great start. If you've already purchased those things and your child has more of a customized sense of taste in terms of the things that they've acquired and they want to use, they're more than welcome to. We just invite you to come and collect these things, as we did purchase them for you. Whether you need them or not, it's always good to have, even as a backup. Okay, so just to reiterate, Monday, August 10th, from 11 o'clock to 3:30 in the afternoon will be distribution. It's a chance for us to also see each other in person, although it's really going to be done more of in a drive-by style, so unfortunately we won't be able to have a face-to-face until it's considered safe for us to do so, as deemed by the state and the organization. But regardless, I look forward to seeing you. I would also add that I invite everyone to please check for updates on our ParentSquare. I'm going to be hosting several Zoom sessions in 30-minute blocks, starting in the morning and blending into the afternoon. I do live near Livermore, so it does take me a bit to get out to Stockton. I will be arriving on campus early and hosting those Zoom conferences to kind of give you a walkthrough of our schedule, expectations, and so on. However, considering the fact that most of you may not have a Chromebook because this is our distribution day, it's fine if you can't make the morning sessions. However, I did open up a window in the afternoon into the early evening for those that would like to join and receive some clarifying statements regarding distance learning moving forward. You are invited to join with your student. However, if your student can't join, it's really more of a parent conference. Keep in mind also that all the times have been included in the ParentSquare, as well as the link to the Zoom conference we'll be using. If you have any technical problems with it, please feel free to call or text me or email me, as many of you have already been doing. All right, I look forward to seeing you on Monday in person, even if it's at a distance of beyond 6 feet. And I also look forward to interacting with you on a Zoom conference so that I can show you all the tools we're going to be using within a 30-minute window. Anywho, again, as always, reach out if you have any questions, any concerns, and I'd be happy to discuss them with you. All right, I look forward to it and enjoy your weekend.